Welcome to What's in the Shop. It's the end of August. Kids are going back to school, and we are ramping up for our fall season, which actually tends to be really, really busy. Behind me is the Land Rover Discovery. Aaron's prepping the hood, about to install PPF. Behind that's a 911 Turbo S. I think this was here last week, so Kayla was in the middle of wrapping it, and it's all wrapped except for the front bumper. We just got the front bumper back. It needs a little bit of time to cure. When we removed the old vinyl that was on there before we ever wrapped it, it pulled a bunch of paint off with it. Turns out the bumper was repainted a couple of times, so got the bumper repainted again so that it's nice and smooth for us to layer vinyl. And Zach is currently polishing a big Super Duty. This one got some PPF on the rocker panels and some other pieces. Now it's getting a ceramic coating. In the wash bay, we have an annual on a Golf R. So we're gonna go around the car, make sure everything's performing the way it should. I think that car previously had a full wrap as well. And in the tint bay, Terrell is working on a Lexus. This one's getting the front windows tinted. And outside we have a Cybertruck. Actually I have two of them. This one's getting wrapped in white vinyl, gloss white. In the process of doing that, that should be done in the next day or two. Next to a Ram that got the windows tinted. And beside that is a Grand Cherokee. That is our next window tint appointment. And we have a Super Duty. I think this might be here for an annual inspection. I don't know, I can't find it on my schedule, but the guys at the front know. Whoever got the work order for that knows what's happening. And a Toyota Land Cruiser. This one got the windows tinted all the way around. Belongs to our good friends at Saferno Well Services. If you're in the gas well industry, these guys are the best of the best at hauling for that industry. Beside that, a Cadillac CT 4V, 5V, one of the V's, Blackwing, the sexy one. This one's here for track pack PPF, and I think a coating as well. We have a Tesla Model Y. This belongs to our good friend Dr. M3. He's upgrading his Model Y, and we're doing what we always do for him. Full wrap all the way around, window tint, ceramic coating. Some of it's done. We're fitting it in while we can. And to my right is a Platinum Tundra, cool color. This one's getting PPF, I believe, window tint, maybe ceramic. Beside that is another Cybertruck. This one got some graphics installed, supplied by the customer, and a ceramic coating on the bare steel. There's some challenges associated with that. It can be very hard to get that right, and we have a lot of time in making sure that this truck looks pretty darn good. We have a Raptor. This one's here for track package PPF. Up there behind the wash bay, Jimmy is currently washing a Ram that we did some PPF on. This one should be getting ready to go home. Next to a Raptor R, we did a full wrap and tint on this, and there was some sort of weird like residue on parts of the film. So we went ahead and got that taken care of. We don't know what it was, if we're being honest, but we always stand by our stuff and take care of our stuff and maintain our stuff, so that's why that one's here. And that white Trailblazer is here for window tint. And up by the building, we have two trikes. One of them is an annual inspection for ceramic coating. The other one's here for a little bit of PPF on the front of the rear fenders. And that's it for what's happening in LATROBE. Let's check out the other two.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a brand new Porsche from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. It's got an 8-year ceramic coating on the entire body. Up on the platform, we have a Honda Passport here. This got a full body paint correction and an 8-year coating on the entire vehicle, including the wheels and calipers. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Hyundai Santa Fe. This too is getting a full body paint correction and an 8-year coating. Back of the tint bay, we have a 2025 Tesla Model 3. This is getting our Prime XR 70% tint, XR Plus 70% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Back in the wash bay is a Porsche Macan. This is next up for some paint protection film. This is getting a full front clip. Up on the lift, we got Max and Steve working on this Tesla Model Y. We did a full wrap on this vehicle some time ago. It did have some body damage on the back bumper and the door that the PPF did save the paint. So just based on those two little dings, the PPF did its job and likely saved this customer a lot of money. So it's back in the shop now to get those two pieces reapplied. Next up, we got a couple full wraps. First up is this C8 Z06. Full body 8mm paint protection film with a 4-year coating going down on the C8. And behind the C8 is a Ferrari Roma Spider. Very, very cool vehicle here. This is actually getting 10mm paint protection film along with an 8-year ceramic coating. Outside and ready to head home is another 911 from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. This one got a track package in paint protection film. Another full wrap in waiting here is this brand new Model Y. Full body 8mm paint protection film and tint on the two front windows to match the factory tint. Freshly tinted here is the C300. This got our Prime XR 5% tint on all the side windows and the back window. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on this week.
In the PPF bay, we have this 911 Turbo S that's in for a full body paint protection film. Also received ceramic tint all around, including the front windshield. In the tint bay, we have Alfredo working on this Model Y. It's getting every single window tinted in our XR Plus to keep that heat out of the cabin. Sunroof's already done, all the sides are done. Now we're just doing the windshield. Today we're back at the W South Beach, tinting more windows in the penthouse. So we tinted all these windows in this corner, and everything worked so well that I want to continue now going this way and tinting the rest of these windows here.
Thank you guys for tuning in to watch us every single Wednesday. Make sure you wave to Terrell if you see him. We'll see you next week.